Hey everyone, welcome back to another project flight video. Today we are beginning our first kind of little challenge. We will be flying and buttering every single commercial aircraft in this game that has to offer. Today we are starting on Breeze Airlines, well, Moxie 6993 on the A220 from Catilla to Southampton. Pretty short ride, nothing special. Should be a relatively pretty easy butter. I think the butters will get harder as we get to like the A350, the 777, and yeah, pretty much the bigger planes, and also the McDonald would be a little more on the difficult side, but still manageable. We're gonna be taxiing behind this little curve right here. We will begin our takeoff procedure. Okay. Lower down our flaps. Oh yeah, I love the animation of the flaps in this game. It's pretty cool. Let's begin our taxi. Pretty sure in the new Project Flight update they are going to be getting rid of Southampton for a better London type style airport, if I'm not mistaken. So this would most likely be the first and only video I make with Southampton, and that's okay. I barely land there anyways, or take off from there. Runway's a little short here in Catilla, especially not from the starting point, but that's okay. We're in an A220, does not require that many knots for takeoff. We're clear for departure. We will be lining up on the runway now. We're gonna kind of turn to the left. And we're going to line up. Alrighty. Let's put our strobe lights on. Push power to 50%. Make sure we are looking good here. And now 100%. Love this view. Number 5 is like probably my favorite view. I'm able to steer the airplane and get it where it needs to be, even from this angle. Okay, let's check. 100 knots. 110. 120, 130, we need 140, and we can start lifting up. There we go. Gear up. Positive climb. Our flight pattern is going to be, we're going to be straight until like about 2,000 feet in Catilla. We're going to start turning towards Southampton. Track the flaps back up. We're going to go to about 6,000 feet for this mini adventure. Put our altitude on. And let's lower the speed a little bit. We're going to be turning. Everything is looking perfect so far. Let's put our heading there. And all we need is about 320 knots for this journey. Actually, no, I probably would need maybe around 360. That should be perfectly fine. If I'm not mistaken, Southampton currently is in like we are going this way, and the runway is aligned the same way. So we're gonna need a loop around. London here. Actually, I'm sorry guys, I apologize. We were going to be going to 8,000 feet for this journey. I like higher altitudes, it's more realistic. Sometimes I underestimate how the vertical speed sometimes in this game. You can climb up pretty damn quickly. We're at 400 knots now. I know I'm usually more of a long haul guy, so. There we go, 7,000 feet altitude. So here where my cursor is, we are going to be banking over there pretty soonly, and then the flight pattern is going to go like this into Southampton. Here we are, 8,000 feet, our cruise speed. Let's have a heading now of 275. And we are looking pretty damn perfect. I'm not gonna lie, this is a nice livery. If they had this like on the 777, I'd definitely probably use it. I'm never on an A220. It's too small for me, for my liking. But for this challenge, we will be attempting every single commercial aircraft that this game has to offer. We're about the halfway mark from Catill to Gatwick. We will begin banking pretty soonly. Heading up 260. Actually, I don't even remember the last time I was in Southampton. I'm pretty sure it's been like, damn, maybe 2 years since I've been in Southampton. That's crazy. Yeah, but these updates are they're gonna be pretty fire. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna get rid of Minorca, leave Gatwick and Southampton, rebuild everything. Can't wait for career mode to come out. It's gonna be fun. We are doing just fine. As soon as we get to the island, basically, we will begin our descent. We might actually start beginning our descent relatively soon. Yeah, we're gonna start our descent procedure now. Let's get a heading of 220. There you are, perfect. And now we're gonna have to eventually, we're gonna stay on this heading, and then we're gonna line ourselves on the runway. Slow our altitude down to 325. I mean our speed, sorry. Let me know how my commentary is, guys. I mean, I only just started doing commentary in front of a camera. It's gonna take some time for me to be like a pro at it, but I think I'm doing not so bad for my first kind of commentary video. I mean, this is like maybe the third one, but still kind of new to it. We're gonna lower down our speed to about 250 now, as we are approaching Southampton. I would do night flights, but the problem with night flights is it's very hard to see like what the quality and stuff, because I don't have like the craziest computer in the world. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be upgrading it soon. Once I get it upgraded, I will start doing night flights. So, because I feel like it sets the vibe. We're gonna start banking here, 210. Any minute now, the runway for Southampton should show itself. We're gonna bank now to 200. Once we get to about 2,800 feet, we are going to lower our flaps. Lower our gear. Lower our flaps too, but that requires just a little bit lower, towards like 1,500 feet. Any minute, Southampton should show their runway. Let's bank here to 180. To our left, we have Gatwick, pretty big airport. Was thinking about landing there, but wanted to give Southampton a shot also because I'm never going to see it again when the update comes out. Let's see, if we zoom in, can we see the runway out? Just about. I mean, I see a plane, but not exactly the runway out. Slow her down more. I believe the runway is this way. It might... Oh, I might be crazy, y'all. Here we are. We're going to keep an altitude of about 2,500. Gear's going to go down. Start putting our flaps to the 10 degrees. Guys, am I crazy? I've never been to Southampton before. I'm not exactly acknowledged with the runway. Let's see. Ah, I see the runway now. Alright, we're gonna have to bank to about 140. There we go. I am going to control the altitude and I'm gonna control the heading. We will keep our speed there. I apologize. This would have been a more smoother route. I mean, it's been so long since Southampton. Looking good. Put our landing lights on. Lower our flaps to the 30-degree position to help us with the drag. Is the runway clear? That's the main question. The runway is in fact clear. Let's bank a little bit more to the left. Lower down to 150 knots. Should be a pretty smooth landing. Here we are. 1,400 feet. Looking good. Just pitch down a little bit more. Now we're going to need to bank to the right and now use our rudders to maintain the direction of the runway. Spoilers in the mid position. We're aligned now. And there's our butter. I probably could have gotten a better butter. The problem with like an airport like this is the runway is so small. I have to like low-key hit the runway very fast because I need to make sure I do not like, you know, I have enough room to use my spoilers and my brakes to stop myself and to start taxiing. But yeah, welcome to Southampton. This is our first butter of the series. Next up, I believe, is the A320, if I'm certain. I believe so. There we go. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment what airline maybe for the next aircraft. I would definitely be up for recommendations, and hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed my videos. With that being said, have a good day. Oh, and real quick, by the way, this is the flight pattern that we took today.